Welcome to the in front of me HTC Desire 628, and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and there you'll see the flash icon. Just tap once on the icon, and as can you see, we right now just activated our flashlight on our HTC Desire 628. And if you want to turn it off, by the same way, tap here once on the switcher and that on this icon, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.